Two black holes, each with masses millions of times greater than our Sun, spiral towards each other at speeds nearing half the speed of light. When they finally meet, they release more energy in a few seconds than all the stars in the observable universe combined. This colossal event is not just about numbers. It challenges the very boundaries of our understanding. But what makes such catastrophic collisions possible? And why do they hold the secrets to some of the universe's greatest mysteries? By the end of this video, you'll grasp the extraordinary mechanics behind black hole collisions, discover the transformative power of gravitational waves, and learn about the profound questions that remain unanswered in the wake of these titanic encounters. To understand the dance of these cosmic titans, we must first delve into the very nature of black holes. Formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity, black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a star tens of times more massive than the Sun, compressed into a sphere with the approximate diameter of New York City. Such is the density of a black hole. These celestial objects roam the vast expanses of space, often found in pairs due to the turbulent histories of their stellar predecessors. So, how do these black holes come to collide? The universe is not a static place. It is dynamic and ever-changing. As two black holes orbit each other, they lose energy through the emission of gravitational waves. This energy loss causes them to draw closer together over millions, or even billions, of years. It's a slow, inexorable dance, reminiscent of two ice skaters spiraling inwards as they spin faster and faster. The question arises, what happens when they eventually merge? The answer lies in the world of gravitational waves. First predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago, these ripples in space-time were directly detected for the first time in September 2015 by the LIGO Observatory. Think of them as the cosmic equivalent of the ripples formed when a stone is thrown into a pond. But unlike water, space-time is the very fabric of the universe, and these ripples carry information about the cataclysmic events that created them. When black holes collide, the gravitational waves produced can be detected across billions of light years, offering a unique window into the most extreme environments in the universe. Yet the detection of gravitational waves was just the beginning. With each collision observed, scientists gather vital clues about the nature of black holes and the fabric of the universe itself. But there's more. A twist that complicates the picture. The merging of black holes can result in a phenomenon known as a kick. This is where the newly formed black hole is flung through space at extraordinary speeds, possibly ejected from its host galaxy entirely. But why does this happen, and what are the implications? The kick stems from the asymmetrical emission of gravitational waves during the merger. If the two black holes are of different masses or spin rates, the gravitational waves they emit can propel the merged black hole in a specific direction. Imagine two dancers spinning and leaping. If one dancer is heavier or spins faster, the final jump sends them spiraling off the stage. This cosmic ballet reveals the complexity and unpredictability of these celestial events. Now, as with any cutting-edge field of study, black hole collisions have presented scientists with as many questions as answers. One of the most burning questions is about the nature of black hole mergers in regions densely populated with stars, such as globular clusters. These environments might produce collisions at a higher rate than previously thought, significantly impacting our estimates of the number of black hole mergers occurring throughout the universe. This brings us to a deeper query. Are these mergers the key to understanding how supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies form and grow? The stakes of these cosmic mergers are high. They offer us a chance to test the limits of Einstein's theory of general relativity under the most extreme conditions imaginable. They allow us to peer back in time, possibly to the moments just after the Big Bang. Observing and understanding these collisions could illuminate the origins of the universe itself and change the way we perceive space-time, gravity, and matter. As we wrap up this exploration into the extraordinary world of black hole collisions, remember the staggering energy released in these events and the profound implications they have for our understanding of the cosmos. We've journeyed from the initial spiral dance of these celestial giants to their cataclysmic union and beyond, into the ripples they send across the universe. The question we began with, what happens when two black holes collide, is not just answered in the grand display of cosmic fireworks, but in the subtle waves that ripple through space-time, forever altering our understanding of the universe. If you're hungry for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe, be sure to subscribe to Deep Sky Daily. Until next time, keep looking up and let the stars guide your curiosity.